Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly access help in paragraph block in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and log into your WordPress account over here. This is the home page you're going to see. And here, as you can see, the quick links option right below quick links option is the edit site option over here. Simply click on the edit site option and it will take you directly to the editor's page of WordPress. After you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, as you can see over here, just simply look for the help option over here on the top right corner. The fourth menu is the help option. Simply click on the help option and just here search for paragraph. It will actually lead you or change the options you want to. As you can see, there is an option called paragraph block. Click on the paragraph block and your help center. All the problems you want to see are actually recorded in video format, and the things you want to change or want help for is actually here. It will lead to a easier and accessible WordPress editing experience by actually looking for options and actually sharing your problems with WordPress. So that is how you quickly access the help in paragraph block in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.